Alright, we got a Craftsman 1/2-inch reversible drill. Found this at a yard sale. It was laying on the table, had 50 cents on it. The guy said that it works, but it only goes in forward. You flip the switch and it does not reverse. So, let's see if we can figure out what's wrong with it. First of all, it does work. Flip the switch and it's still going the same direction. Yeah, the forward reverse switch, something has happened with that. Let's take this apart and see if we can figure it out. Unplug it so you don't get that shocked. It's got Phillips screws holding the case together. Only 4 of them. Might have to take these 4. See if I can do this without losing all the gears. Keep that right there. Here's another little washer that is on this one. Keep those all together so and now to come apart. And right there is the switch that we need. See if we can zoom in a little better. Yeah, it looks to me like there should have been a pin sticking up in this little groove, so when you move it, it'll bring it back and forth. And it looks to me like that little pin, get you in the camera here, it is broken off. Alrighty. I don't have another switch to be able to replace it with. So there. Yeah, you can see where it was right there now. Right there, the pin is broke off. See if I can figure some way of maybe drilling that out and putting a little pin in there or something. Let me do some checking here. Okay, what I'm going to try to do is take this little nail. I'm going to try drilling this out deep enough to where I can put some of this in. I'll have to cut the nail down and see if I can make a new pin and maybe glue that in there. But we'll see what happens here. Hopefully I don't destroy it. I'm not sure if it's plastic or if it's metal. That'll fit in there. I'm going to snip off the end of this. Okay, I got her shortened up some. Let's see if it'll work. I can get it pushed in there. I can maybe go a little bit deeper. Don't want to go too deep with it because it might drill into the contact area of it. I'll tell you what, I'm going to give that a try. Get the brush put back in place. Stick it back together for now. Spin in that direction. And now it's spinning back this way. Cool. Alright. I'll let go. That's in there pretty good, I'm guessing. I bet that'll stay. If it don't, then I'll figure some way of gluing it in there. But for now, anyway, I'll just see if I can put it back together. Like this. And if it messes up on me again, I'll know what to fix. I'll keep my eyes open for another switch. I don't know if you can get new switches for these old things. I'm sure you can if you can find them. haven't checked on eBay. Or checked on the Sears website for them. Of course, they probably went 30 or 40 bucks, which you can buy a new drill cheaper than fixing. But anyway, this might be a fast, easy fix. Get this put back together. Maybe. Where'd we go here? Something's not right. Here's a bearing. It's supposed to go in there. There, that slid down in there now. There we go. Cool. It's back to working. My 50-cent yard sale find. Nice big 1/2-inch craftsman drill. Anybody else have that problem? There's a quick way of fixing it. At least until you get a new switch. On to the next one.